Imagine navigating the complex labyrinth of U.S. immigration law, armed only with your psychologist skills and the hope of a brighter future. The future. The journey may seem daunting, but while on an F1 visa, you can gain work experience through optional practical training, OPT, and curricular practical training, CPT. OPT allows you to work before and after graduation, while CPT provides work experience related to your field of study. After graduation, the next step is the H-1B visa, a temporary work permit for specialized occupations like a manager. You can also apply for this visa from out of the country. It's to note that the H-1B is subject to a lottery system due only issues 85,000 H-1B visas each year, so it's crucial to prepare a strong application. If you're already an established account manager with exceptional skills, you might qualify for the O-1 visa. Visa is for individuals with extraordinary ability or achievement in the sciences, arts, education, business, or athletics. For those with advanced degrees or exceptional ability, the EB-2 visa is another path. You're a skilled worker with at least 2 years of training or experience, the EB-3 visa might be your ticket. The EB-1 visa is for those at the top of their field. If you're an account manager with international recognition for your work, this could be the route for you. The script does not contain the term web developer to be replaced with account manager. All right, so you're ready to take the leap, but where do you start your job search? Let me introduce you to move2usajobs.com, a platform specifically designed for job seekers like you. This site is a treasure trove of job opportunities in the USA and even has a section dedicated to account managers. With its easy-to-use interface, you can filter jobs based on your skills, preferred location, and salary expectations. The site even offers resources to help you tailor your resume to suit American employers and sponsors matching. So, why wait? Sign up, start your job search, and remember, with move2usajobs.com, your American dream is just a click away.